I'm James Swiger. I'm the president of WYK Associates, a local architecture planning firm here right in Clarksburg, West Virginia. We're very happy to have been selected for the restoration of the Robinson Grand Theater. This theater has a lot of history to a lot of folks in Clarksburg and Harrison County and even areas beyond. Right now we're in the process of cleaning out some of the rooms and archiving some of the information that's here, the artifacts, so we can use it later as we restore this jewel back to its former glory. Starting Monday morning, we're going to start a 3D scan of the entire project. We're going to start on the interior first and then go to the exterior. A 3D scan involves basically it's a 3D camera scanner on a tripod, a very expensive piece of equipment, but it's the only way to do something like this. This thing has multiple levels, multiple rooms, sloping ceilings. Very difficult just to come in and measure it with a handheld laser or tape measure and try to draw it up. We do have some of the existing drawings, but the only way to do this right for future restoration work is to do a 3D scan. So that, like I say, that's going to start next Monday morning. The 3D scan will then take that information, which the raw material from a 3D scan is called a point cloud. At that point, it's basically like a three-dimensional picture that you can go in and actually measure off of. But at that point, we have to convert that into the BIM model, which is Building Information Modeling, which is the software that we use that we will be doing the project in, and all the consultants will be using that software as well. We just happen to use Revit, which is a pretty common software for that in the architectural field. But once we get that, then we'll be able to start really putting ideas to paper or to model, so to speak. Also, by having that information, it will help us use our 3D printer to build a physical model of this building, and I think that's going to be very helpful for the design team as well as for marketing purposes and fundraising for the city, and it would just be a nice tool to have as we move forward, and it would be something that can stay with the theater, for the life of the theater.